before I go to bed, I love reading books. I love reading words and the way the pictures look.
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
And my name is Alexander. We're the Gemelos Bilingües.
We like reading books.
And we hope you like reading books too. Today's book is The Tortilla Factory. Through your goodness, we have this bread to offer, which earth has given and human hands have made. It will become for us the bread of life. The black earth sleeps in winter. But in the spring, the black earth is worked by brown hands. That plant yellow seeds, which become green plants, rustling in soft wind, and make golden corn to dry in hot sun and be ground into flour for the Tortilla Factory, where laughing people and clucking machinery mix the flour into dough and push the dough and squeeze the dough and flatten the dough and bake the dough into perfect discs that come off the machine and into a package and onto a truck and into a kitchen to be wrapped around juicy beans and eaten by white teeth to fill a round stomach and give strength to the brown hands that work the black earth to plant yellow seeds, which make golden corn to be dried in hot sun and be ground into flour. The end! You can find this book and many more at your local library.
I love to go to libraries, look around and search, and I read so many books that I learned a lot of words. I can tell you stories that you never ever heard, and I love to read about people different than me, and I'm thankful I can read, I'm thankful I can see, and before I go to bed, yeah, I love reading books.